how to fix the error code VAN9005 that says that this build of the Vanguard is out of the compliance with the current system settings. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Many people encounter the issue VAN9005 with this version of the Vanguard being non-compliant with the current system settings. Check the Vanguard notification center in the tray for the further details. Numerous YouTubers recommend uninstalling and then reinstalling the Vanguard to resolve this issue. However, this approach is not always effective. While it may provide a temporary fix, the issue often resurfaces upon restart. If your PC supports TPM and secure boot, ensure that the Windows is installed in the UEFI mode to prevent the problems. And alternatively, if your PC does not support the TPM and secure boot, you can disable the security system to enable the Vanguard to operate smoothly without encountering the recurring issues. The problem manifests as version 9005 with the Vanguard not aligning with the current system settings. Refer to the Vanguard notification center in the tray for the more detailed information, and to resolve this, simply click on the Windows icon and type in command prompt. Right click to run it as an administrator, and then enter the command to deactivate it. Following this, you should be able to play your game without needing to restart. However, if a bug occurs preventing the proper startup, a PC restart may be necessary. If Valorant fails to launch or error persists, restarting the PC may be required. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section or suggest the topics for the future videos. We are here to assist you. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.